Martin Hurry, Blues Guitar Licks. Hey blues players, how are you? Martin Hurry again this week with a short lesson trying to help you improve your playing, yes, in this style called blues, yeah. Please remember you can subscribe to my channel, share and like this video if you like the information, yes. Two little things before continue with this lesson is you have in the description of this video access to the membership program, yes. I am putting a lot of information there, videos, packs of links, PDF files, and well, just visit the link, and thanks to support my channel. And the second thing is Sunday 11th April 2021 I will be given an online blues guitar workshop. So if you are interested, just check up the link in the description of this video, yes. Today I bring you this exercise, yes. It's about one string, yes, just trying to develop some ideas using pentatonic scale over only one string, yes. So let's say we play a blues in the key of A, yes. So we have 5 boxes, for box number 4 here, if you study very well your boxes first, box number 5, box number 1, box number 2, box number 3, again box number 4, box number 5, number 5 again, and box number 1 again here, yes. So if we just pick up one string, for let's say string number 1, we are going to play. Remember, the minor pentatonic scale in the key of A is A, C, D, E, and G, yes. But if I follow the boxes, I know I have box number 1 here. So box number 5, box number 1, box number 2, box number 3, and I finish the fretboard on fret 12, but I have more space to play. So again, box number 1, yeah, 12, 15, like this, yeah, 12, 15, again, box number 5, and again box number 1, and I don't have more frets to continue playing, yes. So the exercise is practice one by one the strings of using the pentatonic scale, for example in the key of A, like today, and after you remember well, yeah, the sequence over each one of the strings, then just pick up one string and try to play using only one string, because we are using the 5 notes of the pentatonic scale, yes. We are just playing over one string instead using the 6 strings, but technically you can play licks and short ideas using one string, yes. So first, again, yes, yes. So I will play for you now using a backing track in the key of A, a few samples, yeah, just some tricks I can develop using only one string, yes. So let's see, yes, now with the backing track. So this is the sample, yes, it's an idea and it works really well. It helps, this way of playing will help you to start playing more in an horizontal way than I said vertical way, yeah, the box, yeah. The idea is to unlock this and start using the fretboard on your side, yes. And of course then you can do it in string number 2. And then string number 3, string number 4, string number 5, and the last one, the 6th one. An idea to practice this is just practice sometime or one day, yes, a little 5-10 minutes each day, a different string, yes. To me personally, is better like that, you know. Don't try to play same day the 6 strings, yeah, because it's too much, yes. So it's better if you just one day, yeah. So in 6 days you will finish practicing each one very well, yeah. And if you have more time than 5-10 minutes, just try to play more using one string, you know. Develop your muscle memory doing these things, yeah. And well, thank you very much. Remember to subscribe and to like and share this video if you think this information is good for you. And thank you very much. Yeah, see you next week. This Saturday, 2 p.m. again, live streaming as every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern time, live streaming. So thank you very much. Martin Uri.